Welcome to Short and Crisp Algo Trade Training from MarketSecrets. If you're interested in learning end-to-end algo trading, use the link in the description to join our ATP program. In this episode, we are going to learn how to get the price at which an order got executed. So for example, right, you're placing a market order through your algo trading, and once you place the order, how you're going to know at which price it got executed. So how do you pull the price at which your order got executed? That's what we are going to learn today. Okay, so to do that, right, we are going to use order report API. So I'm going to create a order details variable. So these are all something that we have done earlier. So just going to fast track it, order details, and sorry, order report, and I'm going to print the order report, sorry, order details, and I'm going to each and every order, so through loop, and in order details, so success, so into the JSON object, and I'm printing each order. And so now we have every single order being printed. Now the question is whether we want the price of each and every single order. I mean, for each and every single order, do you want to know the price at which it got executed, or whether it's like for one specific order we need to know. So the earlier episode we saw for one single how to pull the status. So in this case we are going with all the orders. So let's see at which price every single order got executed. So what we have to do is, like, we need to go to the each order, and we need to print its price. Simple, right? So yeah, so sorry, I didn't print it, so I'm just going to add the print statement. So I stop the execution. I'm rerunning it now. So let's see what happens. So now, if you see, right, for each order, I mean, we are printing each order, and post that we are actually printing the price at which each of those orders got executed. So this is how you need to, pull the price of every single order. If you want, the price for one specific order, you can just pick up an order ID, for example, this one, and you can add an if statement. If each order, so order ID, right? If order ID is matching, then so it should be double equal to, in that case only then print my order price, just additional variable I'm adding, and then you can just print the price. Okay, so this will give me an additional one more line print statement where this particular orders order ID will be additionally printed. So for some reason it's failing. Looks like you're trying to up and string and float. So I think need to use str, I think. So let's see. And yeah, now it's working. So for every order we were actually printing the price here, and in addition, for the specific order we are printing it once more. Okay, so if you want a specific order, you use the script. If you want for all the orders, so this should suffice. If you have any queries about this, let me know in the comment section. Also hit the like, share and subscribe buttons if you find this video useful. Thank you.